right, Margaret's here now. Where is Hurricane Hermine, and is this going to get stronger as it's making landfall?
Oh, I do think it's going to get stronger. It's certainly becoming better formed right now, but I do have some good news. Would you like to hear it?
Sure.
It's looking like after Hermine and Gaston, we're going to have about 10 days without tropical activity.
Good.
Let's hope. That's what the GFS model is saying. All right, let me show you the big picture. First of all, we've got Hermine, which is about 85 miles south of Apalachicola, Florida, moving northeast at 14. There is Gaston. Gaston is moving towards the Azores, and there are tropical storm warnings in effect there. This little system, about a 20% chance for tropical development. It's having a lot of problems with dry air. I like dry air this time of the year. And then in the Pacific, Madeline is now southwest of the Big Island. Lester is moving to the west-northwest. It is a Cat 2 hurricane, winds of 110 miles per hour, likely to impact the northern portion of the islands. Meanwhile, there is Hermine. Here we are, and you'll notice it's looking pretty good over Louisiana, and that's because we've got a lot of dry air. Sure, there's a little bit of rain that's moving in. Here is the cold front that's dipping to the south, and if we look at our live radar, I've got the upper level winds in, and it's showing the movement basically out of the west. This is what's been helping to steer this system away from us. Back to the dry air, it's showing up really beautifully across Louisiana. Some of that has wrapped into the system, but look at it now. I mean, it's really looking organized. Unfortunately, it looks like it's intensifying. We should get another update in at about 7 o'clock, and I'm going to be doing a Facebook Live. There is a look at those rain bands moving on shore. We do have tornado watches posted on the east side of this system. That's where you're more likely to have tornadoes. Meanwhile, back home, I mean, it's looking great, and it was really hot today. We hit a record high of 98. A little bit of rain over by Baton Rouge. We've got some showers moving into Wiggins. South Shore, not too much, but there is some potential for some showers tonight. Not a lot. I'm really pumped for the Saints. I think the weather should cooperate for you tomorrow, an isolated shower. So here's that forecast model, and we're looking at 11:30 with it right there moving into Florida, close to Apalachicola, and then you can see that heavy rain over Georgia, also into South Carolina with strong winds. Meanwhile, we've got a front that moves into, I know, can you believe it? A cold front this time of the year, giving us about a 30% chance of rain as you go into Saturday and Sunday. The benefit is it's not going to be as hot. We do still have that coastal flood advisory posted, and did have some street flooding in Hancock County because of the high tides. Much cooler weather to the north. Not here. We had blue skies. David Morris sent that in. And along the Gulf Coast, they were saying temperature of 102 at the outlet malls. Didn't get that hot, but it was hot. Fourth wettest August on record, second hottest August on record, and today was the hottest it's ever been on this day. Hit 98 degrees, and look at this, it's 96 degrees right now. Temperatures about the area, mid-90s, some low 90s along the coast. Gulfport, you're now down to 88 degrees, but this heat index, 105 Slidell, also over at the airport, 102 at Galliano. It's hot. It feels hotter. Here is a look at those temperatures, and I hate to say it, 9 o'clock tonight, downtown, it could be 90 degrees. Temperatures in the morning, low 70s to the low 80s. We even could have some mid 80s with your high temperatures tomorrow, mid 90s. All right, another look at Hermine. Very organized, likely intensifying, heading right towards the Gulf Coast. This is the center of the eye a little while ago, and then here it is now. You can do a trajectory, and if it were to stay on that path, it would move in over Appalachia Bay. And there again, a look at this system, which is going to bring a lot of rain and storm surge. So for us tomorrow, 3 o'clock, mid-90s. As you go into the weekend, about a 30% chance of rain, not quite as hot. And for Labor Day, highs mainly low 90s, a few showers around.